everyone, it's me, Beau. I am coming to you today with this smart lamp right here. I actually went to Home Depot and I ended up turning right around and going to Amazon.com because Home Depot was about twice the price for these things. So in this quick little video, I'm going to show you how I go about, that's my old light bulb in there, how I go about actually setting this thing up. Now, before we do actually get anywhere, this is my bedroom light right there, and I'm going to give you an example of this. So if I say, so I have an Amazon Alexa over there, and if I say, computer, turn off Beau's bed light, then you will see that it goes off right there. Computer, turn Beau's bed light on to 10%. Ooh, mood lighting. Computer, turn Beau's bed light on to 100%. Now I'm gonna do my wife's light over here, and she's out of town, and I really wanted to kind of show her that this is going to be, a special little surprise. She's got this really, really cool lamp. She likes the asymmetry of these lights. She likes the little dangling lights, and she got those at Hobby Lobby. And she's got this really cool birdcage light on right here. Very good. Okay, now it is in. Now, of course, the lamp is off, or else it would be on. It's nice and snug in there. Not too snug, of course. Don't want to over-tighten anything. Here we go. So we start with it on, and we go off, off. So that time was 3 times off. You saw the sequence. So now we go over to my Smart Life app. I think that is the best possible app for actually pairing smart devices. And that's what I pair all of my smart devices with. Even if this says to use their app, you can use pretty much any of the apps to set it up. I use Smart Life. And then you simply go, you choose the network that you are connected to normally, type in your password, and then it should automatically connect these things. I got to about 46% as it was setting up, and then it completely connected to my network, and it automatically connected straight to my Amazon Alexa as well. I didn't even have to open up that app. It just said, hey, we've sensed a new device on your network. And so yeah, that's it. That's how you get into pairing mode. And now I'm gonna go back to my app and actually continue the setup of this. I hope this helps.